joining us today. We're glad you're here and would love the opportunity to visit with you if you have any questions about what's happening here at Republic Assembly.
Coming March 30th, the Anthem in concert here at the church. Make sure to put this on your calendar and invite your friends.
You are invited to a night of mystery at Murder of a Millionaire, Friday, March 14th at 7 p.m. here at the church. Tickets are $15. All proceeds go to our Elevate Student Ministries.
If you would like to know more about Republic Assembly, please check out our website at republicag.com. Also, Republic Assembly is now on goodsearch.com, the search engine that gives back.